Hi guys! In this video, you're gonna learn how to change PayPal business account to personal account. So here in this application of PayPal, there are two options to make the change of your PayPal account. First, you need to tap the upper left corner or your profile, tap it, and then tap Message Center. At the Message Center, you can message PayPal to change your account from business to personal. You can also call them by using their website or tweet by their Twitter account. So that's how to change PayPal business account to personal account. If you like this video, please click the subscribe button and click the bell icon to notify you to our next tutorial.